Hi friends, in this video I would be showing a plant potting mat. This is a plant potting mat. We can use this to keep the workspace clean. It will also make the process easier. Actually, I plan to repot a rose. That is the reason I have purchased this mat. It's available in multiple size. In my case, this size was enough. See, and here we can connect. See, we can fold it like this. All four corners we can just connect like this. See, so this is washable. See, this is a size. You can put soil on it, then we can easily wash it. So you can try this. It's a very good mat. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.